have a difficult task to tell in few minutes, very few minutes, the happenings of the last 12 months. I was really having sympathy and pity upon him because actually he needed more than an hour to tell what all has been achieved in your institution, in your university, my dear students, those who are here. After seeing my students here, I was feeling great joy. If I come to an opinion, I ask why this feeling is there. I would like to tell my students why. आप में से जो स्टूडेंट यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, बहुतों ने अपनी सिस्टर की शादी करी होगी और जो एस्टीम पेरेंट्स यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं या गेस्ट बैठे हुए हैं, उन्होंने बहुतों ने अपनी डॉटर्स बेटियों की शादी करी होगी। जब बेटी की शादी कर दें तब आदमी बड़ा खुश होता है कि एक लाइफ का एम पूरा हुआ, बेटी अच्छे घर में जा रही है, सुखी रहेगी। पर जब बेटी लौट के आती है तो सारा घर खुश होता है, भाई बहन, माँ बाप, दादा दादी, अड़ोसी पड़ोसी, नौकर चाकर, उनको बड़ी खुशी होती है कि बेटी हमारी आई है, एक हफ्ते को, 2 हफ्ते को, 10 दिन को। तो वही मुझे खुशी हो रही थी आप लोगों को देखकर कि आफ्टर ग्रेजुएटिंग फ्रॉम आवर इंस्टीट्यूशन you all went to different places all over the country, all over the world, but today you are again at your home, and this gave me great pleasure. When the daughter is there before marriage, sometimes the brother and sister fight with her, sometimes the mother and father scold her. So when I saw your faculty here, this must be happening with you also. When you were here, sometimes faculty must be strict upon you, sometimes they must have debarred you, could not appear in exam, but now you must be feeling that this all was for your welfare. So this is the reason to see my great joy that you are again at home. One thing I should tell you, when the daughter comes, the mother and father tells, बेटा बेटी सुखी हो कि नहीं, कोई भी दिक्कत हो तो बताना, हम हमेशा तुम्हारे लिए हैं, हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हैं. So this message I would like to give each one of my students. You have passed out, you have gone all over the world, all over the country, but we are all for you forever. Whenever you have problems of any type, please bank upon us. You can always contact us, our Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, anybody. So this is the feeling I got. This is your family, this is your home. Today's day for each one of my students is a great day. In life, there are very few days which are remembered whole life, which are important for the whole life. And my dear student, this one day you will always feel proud to show, even when you are in old age, the photos that this is my convocation photo with the gown and the cap. So I would say I congratulate all my students, those who have reached to their state, that they are getting a very valuable degree today. I was thinking what has led to it, that you have come in your young age to this. I started thinking going back. आपका सबसे पहले आप पर भगवान की कृपा रही होगी, so that you took birth with the parents sitting over here or at home, that such parents, those who could afford to send you to MIT, those who could motivate to send you to MIT, because it is not easy to get to MIT. So I think this is the result of your deeds from the last lives, that you could come to MIT. And after coming over here, you all showed great interest, they took great pains so that you are successfully entering the next career. And whenever I meet my alumni, I am always surprised to see what positions they have reached within shortest possible time. When they give me their visiting card, I just ask, is it your visiting card? Because sometimes it is difficult to believe that within such a short span, how they have risen in professional career so much. My dear students, I have taught you everything what is required to achieve everything in life you aspire for. To reach to any heights you want. This we have taught here. Degrees are given in many, many universities all over the world. There are universities, those who are 300 years old, they also give degrees. And we have given you degree, but we have given you virtues, qualities, sanskars and values, which are never given anywhere to the extent which we are giving you. And you are having a lot of guests here, very honorable, worthy guests. You are having your very successful parents. See their life. They have been, in addition to their education and their degree, practicing the best behavioral science, best life skills, best human engineering, which has brought to them. So I have been always telling you whenever I got the chance to see you and meet you, that in your life, you can reach to any height, but you have to aspire for that. You have to say, this is the position I want to reach. These are the heights I want to reach. This is the most difficult. 90% people never set a high goal. And those 10%, those who set a high goal, they invariably reach to these heights. So my dear students, my blessings, I will tell this message to you. Dream high, very high and very high. And I am 100% confident that each one of you, I'm confident because I know what I have taught you. When I say I mean to say my Honorable Chancellor, my Honorable Vice Chancellor, under the guidance of our Honorable Visitor, and all these institutional heads, all my worthy faculty members sitting over here. When I say I mean to say we all have taken every care to make you a distinguished personality, to make you a different student, different alumni than the universities. Many times I say to the people, the Amity University is going to be the best in the world. My students might believe it easier because they have seen me, they have heard me. But many parents and many guests sitting over here will start wondering that other things what Dr. Chauhan told were to believe, but he is telling that Amity is going to be the best. We have our difficulty to believe it. My dear worthy parents, my dear worthy guests, the formula is very easy. If you mix the best of the West and best of the East, give the best education which Harvard, Cambridge, Oxford, Wharton, Princeton, Yale is giving. But mix this with Indian heritage, values, and stars and ethos, and respect for elders, respect for parents. This cannot be given from a American university or European university. They are trying to come to India to learn this, but this cannot be learned. This is born, inborn, the person who is born in Indian soil. It is in blood and bones. That is why I have the courage and conviction to say, my dear students, your university is going to be the best in the world. My alumni will be the topmost people all over the world. I would say, my dear parents, I really congratulate you. I compliment you that your wards, your daughter, your son, your relations have brought you to this stage. One day you will feel proud that these are your wards and what position they are telling. I will very much welcome all worthy guests here. Deepak Puri ji is a phenomenon. He is an icon of the modern technology, an icon for the cutting edge technologies, starting from CDs, DVDs, now in the solar energy. Such people bring the name, fame and respect for India. I stayed 28 years in Germany. Now, when we are coming ahead, India is growing and growing. We get more respect all over the world because people know that India is going to be very soon world power in technology, in know-how. I would say, Deepak Puri ji, we compliment you, congratulate you for this nation-building aspect. I also welcome Neeta Puri ji, the worthy wife of Deepak Puri ji, and we are very glad and very proud that such an icon who radiates technology. I have told that sometime I sent my student, faculty member, to his factory. He has made his factories where even the foreign visitors, those who are having equally good or the factories of the same product, they compliment him and say, after visiting your factory, our esteem for India and Indians and Indian nation has gone up. Welcome to Deepak Puri ji. It's a great occasion. Our honorable chairperson, Mrs. Amita Chauhan, is sitting over here. She is changing the world. About 30,000 students going in higher secondary, those who are come here, I was thinking the students, those who are sitting over here, how many years they must be with me. It is possible that the students are sitting over here, those who are with me for 18 or 20 years. 14 years they spent in the higher secondary school, then they do BTech 4 years, then the MBA. So I would say, my dear students, my heartiest congratulations, my heartiest blessings, but feel free, this is your house, all your problems are my problems, and let us share your joy and let us share your success. Thank you very much.